Hey team, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can use loops with sensors, right? That was the additional block that I did not go over in one of my previous videos. So we already know, or hopefully know by now, that when we use loops, there are really three different kinds, right? Whether it's the forever loop, it's looping whatever is in here forever. It's the loop for a certain number of times, where it's looping whatever's inside until it reaches that number, the desired number. But what I'm going to do, I am going to get rid of that, and then get rid of that. We'll go to control. This is the repeat until loop that I'm going to be discussing in this video. So it's going to act very similar to the other two loops. It's going to repeat whatever is inside the loop until a condition is met. Now, those conditions are going to be our sensors. So we can use the color sensor, we can use the force sensor, or we can use the distance sensor. And that's really what we're going to focus on here, right? So it's going to repeat whatever's inside the loop until one of these three conditions are met, right? So I can plug this in, and it's going to repeat whatever is inside this loop until the color sensor senses green. However, it's only going to check this condition after it gets through the loop, right? So it's going to go forward for 4 rotations, stop, wait, turn, stop, and wait, and then check the condition. If the condition's met, it's going to move on, and in this case, it's going to stop and exit the program. If it doesn't meet this condition, say it senses red instead, well then it's going to repeat whatever is inside the loop. And same thing for any sensor I put in there. Right, it's going to go forward, stop, wait, turn, stop, wait, and check. If the sensor is pressed, it's going to stop and exit the program. If it's not pressed, it's going to keep repeating those actions. And then last but not least, the distance sensor. So if it's going to sense something, in this case, closer than 15 centimeters, it's going to stop and exit the program, right? So it's going to run through, and if it senses something less than 15 centimeters, stop and exit. If it doesn't, it's going to keep on keeping on. Right, so that is how we can utilize a repeat until loop utilizing some sensors. Alright, hope that helps. Good luck.